First, place the device you want to pair the occupancy sensor to into programming mode. To do this, hold the button designated until the indicator light starts to blink. The 120/277 button for the 2-button PAL pack, and the power button for the 3-button PAL pack. For the Vive Maestro, the button is a large tap switch. Once in programming mode, hold the light bulb button on the sensor. While holding this button, you will see the sensor lens flash. Do not let go during this time. As you continue to hold, you will see the indicator lights on the PAL pack and Maestro start to flash rapidly. Continue holding until the light stops flashing rapidly. If you have let go during this time, please see the video, Factory Defaulting a PAL pack. At this time, press and hold the designated button again to exit the programming mode. If you properly paired the sensor, the light bulb button should control the lights, and it should function as auto on and auto off, or only auto off depending on settings and sensor model number. And that's it. For helpful hints and answers to frequently asked questions, please visit lutron.com/support.